Hey guys, Robert7 here. Today we're going to be showing you a really cool treasure hunt that we found at our local grocery store. It is, let me see.
And if you guys realize I wasn't in the other video, and I'm back.
Yeah, he hasn't been in videos for a while, but it's just been bad timing with when I decide to make a video. He's just never around. But yeah, this is Blade Raider. This is a really cool new car. I like this one.
We found it at HEB.
It's like a modern buggy. Like a modern buggy, but with like 80s geometry, or like Doom buggy geometry, not really 80s. It reminds me of like older remote control cars with that like suspension and stuff. But I like these new wheels, these new off-road wheels. As you can see with the little logo on the spoiler, this is a treasure hunt, and you can see the text behind the car.
Yeah, they actually changed it. It used to say the car is hard to find. Maybe they still make it.
I don't know if it did change.
If you guys could see, it says.
I'm pretty sure they know.
Yeah.
Congratulations, this simply means you found a collectible treasure hunt car. Most people know that, but I think the regular version of this car is green and yellow or something like that. But when I found this, I'm like, I don't pay attention to the treasure hunt as much as I used to. Yeah. I kind of just come across them, but I'm realizing there's two different variations of this on the same peg. So I just took them both, realized one was a treasure hunt. I'm like, yes, that's awesome.
And we just magically found it. Well, not magically, but we just literally just
we just came across it. It was on the pegs. They just got done restocking.
Hayden actually spotted it, and I was like, "That's a treasure hunt."
Yep.
And we're trying to find more, but we found the same car, but it was in like different designing and all that, but it wasn't a treasure hunt.
Green and yellow is the regular, and red and orange is
definitely. I was like, no matter what anybody says, we're buying this.
Yep.
It's a hard car to find.
Yeah, we're gonna buy it anyway. Anyway, this car says it's best for the track. I don't know.
We're not opening this.
Yeah, we're not opening it.
We're not opening this.
I don't know why it says best for the track. I've never tried this car on the track, but something about these wheels seems like it wouldn't do great in turns with the edge of the wheels rubbing against the turn and slowing the car down. But I don't know. I think it's still a pretty cool looking car.
Hot Wheels digital circuit. What's that mean?
I think this is. I don't know if it's a game you can play.
Actually,
great on track. These cars also have special features online.
Oh, okay. Basically.
That's cool. We'll have to check that out. But yeah, thanks for watching. This is a quick video, and we might, whether it works or not, we might be uploading a Hot Wheels Velocity X video.
Another secret.
Tomorrow or the day after. Overdrive, which is a channel that makes a ton of Hot Wheels Velocity X videos. Great secret channel for that game. He also does speedruns. He found something awesome in that game. We've been trying to get it to work on the PlayStation. He left in the text on screen for his video. I don't know if this works in the PS2 version. I think he was kind of alluding to us because we usually do the PlayStation versions. But
yeah. So
far, if you know what we're talking about, the Easter egg hasn't worked.
Yeah.
But we're getting there.
So sorry.
Well, we're not sure yet. We're still testing it. But as we can see so far, it hasn't worked. But we're still checking it out. Stay tuned for that video and subscribe for more videos in the future. Bye.
Bye.